Well, this is it, guys. I sold everything. Mowers, that is. Just so y'all probably remember, this is the boneyard and this was packed full. So now all we got left is this Montgomery Ward's right here, this John Deere right here, a couple of mini bike and a four-wheeler. This was all push mowers back here, and we're emptied out here. One guy came out and bought everything from us. We'll take a look in the barn real quick. So this is the stall where I always kept the decent push mowers to fix to sell. Look at this. There's one push mower left. Well, actually there's my old one that I'm restoring, and then the personal use, but one I use. But everything else is gone. We sold it all. But in the end, we're focusing on quality, not quantity, not having so much stuff, so we can spend more time on the projects that we do have. I did get another parts mower for the 110. We'll go over here and look at it. I picked it up the other day. So it's got the deck for it. It had the PTO cover, some hardware I need for my hood, just a couple little things. The rest I'll just part out and sell. So yeah, that project, I'll be on that this winter. I'll be pulling that 110 into the shop that's up there in the barn in pieces. Start refinishing, sandblast it down and paint it. Get it painted out. The first project is next month. Tractor show's coming up. So I gotta get this. Gotta get the throwout bearing onto this so it can be driving. It'll be able to be driven again through the parade or whatever. I don't know if I'll do the parade this year. That was kind of a pain. So this is the next project, and it will be on YouTube when I do that. Gotta split it in half. I'm having issues back there with a leak, so I'm gonna go ahead and just split the tube too and replace the sill back there while I'm at it. And I'm hoping, guys, go ahead and do the 12 volt conversion on this too, because those 6 volt batteries are very expensive, and those 12 volt batteries are a little bit cheaper. All I gotta do really on this one is pretty much just replace the generator with an alternator. So other than that, this right here belongs to Texas Keykeeper. He's getting parts for it. I'll be having videos out on that probably next month. We'll be doing a video on different methods we can use to unstick a relief valve on the hydrostat without having to replace it and costing a lot of money. This is a customer's. I'm fixing this today. And this, I gotta get a key switch for my wheel horse. The key switch went out, so it's time to buy a key switch. I still use this every day pulling that little trailer around. Excuse the mess over here, guys. We're cleaning up, moving stuff around. I gotta build some kind of covering for my generator. This is the, see how I got the cord run out here? That's what powers my welder in there for when I need to do small welds. I could just turn on the generator. Go-kart, we'll be back working on it in the next month. This, maybe in the next few weeks I'll do that. It actually was running, I just let it sit with gas in there, so I just gotta clean out the gas and give it a bath. What else? Last push mower that we haven't sold yet. I think that's about cover it. We got projects, but we don't have as many. We're focused, like I said, we're focusing on quality, not quantity. So hopefully for better content. Anyway, guys, appreciate everybody for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Later, guys.